the one that was the one I broke off on, I think. Massive.
Yep.
Can you get the measuring tape? That is a slab. I'm recording. Can you get the measuring tape?
Sure.
Come on, buddy. Oh my god! Look at that, guys. Holy crap. I'm shaking right now. Oh my god. Let me get a quick thumbnail, I guess. Give me a sec. Well, guys, look at that. Perfectly hooked. Jeez.
I know. That's a monster.
11.
All right.
Jeez Louise, that is a nice one. Nice belly on him, too. Jeez. Make sure he swims off in this cold water. Whew, that water is super cold. Let's go. My drag is so loose. That has me questioning your measuring abilities, because that looks more like a 6. Ooh.
Come on.
But you code, how big do you think that one was?
That one?
No, the other one.
Oh, I don't know. 11. We already know.
Well, how much did you think it was in the beginning?
Oh, I was going to give it 10 to 12.
Yeah, smallest one of the day, probably. He's barely cooked. Oh, I said that hard. Dang it. Play the clown music. Whoa, that guy was heavy. There we go. What the heck?
Wow.
The line got wrapped around his gill plate. I could have ripped his gills out.
That's not good.
No, I'm serious. I could have. If he was bigger, I probably would have. Because just by the weight of him. I think I just had one. There we go. That's a better one. Whoa.
Better.
This water's... Yeah, the water is cold. God. Oh my god, that thing jumped out of the water. He hooked me like twice. Oh my god. There we go, finally got him. That was the guy that I probably set the hook in way too hard. Ah, they're small.
Yeah.
Well guys, that is going to be the end of the video. Make sure to like, subscribe. Watching the whole thing through is better than liking and subscribing, because it gets it on the algorithm and all that. But yeah, just a really good day out on the water again at the spillway. Got a few bigger ones and a lot of smaller ones as the day went on. But yeah, hope you enjoyed the video, and peace. See ya.